Every programmer faces that blank screen and blinking cursor. It's normal to feel overwhelmed at the start. The key is to break the problem into tiny steps. Don't try to solve everything at once, just write one line. Start by understanding the assignment. What are the inputs, what needs to happen, and what should come out? Jot down a quick plan or outline in comments. Focus on the first action, maybe reading input or printing a message. Each small step builds momentum and confidence. Programming is about stacking simple solutions like building with Lego bricks. Read the requirements carefully and identify the core tasks. Frustration means you're learning and growing. Even expert programmers feel stuck sometimes. The difference is, they start anyway. Take a breath, acknowledge the challenge, and commit to writing that first line. Celebrate small wins. They add up. If you get stuck, break the problem down further. Remember, you're more capable than you think. Write a comment, print "Hello World," and get moving. The hardest part is starting. You've got this. Let's cover the essentials: variables, loops, and objects. Variables store information, numbers, text, or true/false values. In Python, user_age = 25. In Java, int userAge = 25. Variables make your code dynamic and flexible. Loops handle repetition. Instead of writing the same code over and over, use a loop. For example, print "hello" 5 times with, for I in range, 5, print "hello." Loops let you process lots of data with just a few lines. Now, objects. Think of real-world things like cars or dogs. Each object has properties like color and behaviors like drive or bark. Object-oriented programming lets you organize code into reusable blueprints called classes. For example, a dog class can have a name and a bark method. You can create many dog objects, each with its own name. Objects keep your code organized and manageable. Most modern software is built this way. In C++, class car, public string color. In Java, class car, string color. In Python, class car def, self color. Self.color = sign color. Mastering variables, loops, and objects unlocks your programming potential. These are the building blocks for solving any assignment. Bugs happen to everyone. Debugging is about finding and fixing errors in your code. Start with error messages. They often point to the problem's location. Don't be scared by technical terms. Focus on the file and line number. Print out variable values to see what's happening inside your program. Use print statements to trace the flow and spot where things go wrong. As you advance, try using a debugger to pause and inspect your code step by step. Set breakpoints, check variable values, and watch your program in action. Debugging is detective work. Follow the clues. When stuck, isolate the problem in a smaller piece of code. Explaining the issue out loud, even to a rubber duck, can reveal the solution. Every bug you fix teaches you something new. Stay curious, not frustrated. Each solved bug makes you a better programmer. Debugging is a skill you'll use every day. Embrace it as part of the process. You're learning with every fix. Getting the right answer is just the start. Clean, readable code matters just as much. Use clear, meaningful variable names like customer_age instead of X. Add comments to explain complex logic or the purpose of a function. Don't overcomment. Let good names do the talking. After your code works, look for ways to improve it. This is called refactoring. Simplify where you can, and turn repeated code into functions. Clean code is a gift to your future self and others. Keep learning, build projects, solve coding challenges, and read others' code. Don't fear mistakes. Every error is a lesson. The more you code, the better you get. Stay curious and keep practicing. Programming is a journey, not a race. Trust the process and enjoy building new things. You're on the right path. Keep coding.